Hello, everyone. One of the common topics that comes up is the discussion around financial, banking, and insurance organizations and their challenges. These organizations belong to another vertical like healthcare that demand a no hiccup operation at the maximized performance for their digital operations. Any performance problems, including outages or degradations for their critical applications like claims management, their core banking or mobile banking services, trading applications, insurance coding, payment processing, right? All these things, any problems with it is totally unacceptable, right? So it's important for these organizations to be able to balance their functionality of these applications as well as the top notch customer service they're expected to provide. Many of these organizations are also spread globally, and the IT teams have responsibility of supporting multiple data centers at scale, and then also ensuring that the information is delivered to the audience in real time. This may lead people to believe that many of these organizations run the latest and greatest technologies, but in most cases, or many of those cases, these organizations continue to rely on IT infrastructures that are built on outdated components and are potentially, in certain situations, running with vulnerabilities as well. The other thing we've also seen is financial organizations are also seeing a flood of disruptors in terms of technologies and usage models that will help them outpace their competition, which puts this constant pressure on the IT teams who not only have to keep the lights on and secure within the organization, but constantly also have to think in terms of how to diligently make the choice between those business transformation projects in light of their potentially outdated infrastructure. That is why IT teams within these organizations need solutions and tools that help them become very efficient to keep those lights on within their organization. This includes visibility first into the application in terms of classifying them, looking at those application transactions, and then getting into the full stack so that they're able to pinpoint where the issue actually lies within those applications, right? These issues do have a direct impact on the end customer's user experience, and no organization, right, can afford to risk anything there, right? So it is very important to know if it is the application, if it is the infrastructure, or the virtual or the physical network that is the reason behind the outage or slowdown. With the improved efficiency that the tool or solution has to offer, it gives these IT members the much needed cycles to accelerate those business transformation or infrastructure upgrade projects. So, thank you everyone for joining us today in Uila's Ask an Expert session. Thank you.